Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Koima Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. Not as much to report this week on the cattle. A little bit choppy, a little bit sideways. Had some early strength early in the week. Um, Not really following through all that well. The cash news last week was red hot. The 198s in the north, 190 in the south. That's all great. We kind of need that encore. We need this to keep happening. But I do think we've got a feedlot that you've had every opportunity to sell some cattle at prices that work. So I think it's going to start to get some of those weights, in line. We're still well over year ago levels. I mean, that's one of the reasons we haven't been able to shoot it even higher yet. But with that being said, we're still seeing high cash. There was a little bit of $2 trade to a regional, very small deal. I think we're still waiting for the up and down the road kind of bids to happen, but I think the producers still have some pretty good leverage to deal with, and we're kind of laying in wait for that. It seems like one day you get a big up because of the good cash news, and then that it just kind of falters. We're having a lack of participation from the long funds. We just don't have them behind us, and that's just still what it feels like. It feels a little bit sloppy. So there's a grain report coming out Friday, 11 o'clock, some acreage. Maybe that'll move some grains, but feed's been getting cheap, corn's cheap, so it is easier to put some weight on the cattle, and we have a lot of feed around. And then looking forward, we'll be watching for heifer retention, starting to hear, with all the grass, with all the cheaper feed, that some of these heifers are finally going back to the cow herd. So a little bit of a long-term look at there. So questions, call us Koima Varilek Trading. Risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.